Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix blurry or soft video on your GoPro Mission 1 camera. First of all, grab a piece of a microfiber cloth and try to wipe the surface of your camera. Make sure that it's clean and smooth. And after that, let's return to the interface and let's see what we can do within the software of the device. So let's go to the mode settings. Here we can increase the sharpness. All we have to do is scroll down until we reach image settings, where we can adjust the sharpness by going right here and setting it to high, for example. We can also disable the motion blur by switching it off. We can also enable the denoise, but it might actually distort your recording, so you might want to set it to low. And image tuning to sport, which will give you the best sharpness overall. Also make sure to record your video in a well-lit environment, as poorly lit environments will always leave you with some blurriness. Try recording a video and see what comes out of it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.